This is an amazing display at the Henry Ford Museum of an exploded Model T. It really is the best way I've ever seen to show you how these were made and how they could make them quite easily. This shows like the wheels down here. See the tire mounted on there and the rim, which then gets bolted onto the wheel. And you can see the gas tank put in place right there, and then the seat would go on top because it was right under the driver. You can see the simple suspension. You can see how it's just a bunch of pieces to put together to make this amazing car. And we have up here, you can see how the windshield bolts on, how the seats were put together, to see all the things that go into this amazing car. So it's just a great display here. Highly recommended. In fact, let me just scoot around these people and show you some of the rest. Something you can just come and marvel at yourself. Hopefully this video gives you some idea of it, but you really want to see it at the Henry Ford Museum yourself. And if you like Model Ts, come into Detroit. Obviously, this is a stop. The other stop would be the Ford Piquet Plant Museum, and that's in Detroit, and that's the birthplace of the Model T, where they designed it. Great collection of Model Ts, where the first Model Ts were made. So two great things to see in Detroit around the Model T.